I've been amazed at the number of people that come into our practice who we diagnose as having dry eye. It could be dry eye, it could be dysfunctional tear syndrome, it could be something wrong with their eyelids. There are a couple of reasons that people will have dry eyes. And it's really up to us to take a history and question our patients to find out whether they do or don't. Some people don't even realize that they have dry eye. So when they come to our office, we give them a questionnaire, which gives me a really good guideline as to whether they have dry eye symptoms. Some of these symptoms range from a grittiness or sandiness, burning, redness, irritation, feeling dry, waking up in the middle of the night with their eyes closed tight and it's hard to open them, fatigue. It's almost like the great masquerader. It can present in a lot of different ways. It can present with blurred vision. People will come in and they have to blink their eyes multiple times to clear their image. So all of these are symptoms. We take that, and then when they come into the office, we do a few tests on every single person that comes in the office looking for dry eyes. We put little stains in their eye, and we can look at the cornea, whether it's been affected, and we have a lot of ways to look for it. So we've come to know that there's about 40% of the patients that walk in today to our practice that will have dry eyes. Now, treatments have really changed, and honestly, this is a very exciting arena of our field. It's not like a person will just come in and just say, here, take some artificial tears and go home anymore. Now we have therapeutics. We have a drop called Restasis, which helps as an anti-inflammatory because that's one of the reasons and causes for dry eye, where there's inflammation. And then we also address the lids and the oil film layer. We have patients that will go on omega-3 and other nutraceuticals. And then we actually can address the lids themselves with a process called IPL, and we have one process called LipiFlow. The IPL is an intense pulse light, that's what that stands for. And it's like a heating device, and it treats around the eye, and it helps to minimize blood vessels. And then we clean out the glands that are blocked. Because what really happens with dry eyes, the majority of the patients, is that the glands that secrete oil in the lids become dried out and blocked as we get older. So really, it's like dental hygiene. It's now going to be like lid hygiene. We have to address this. We have to see people early on because we can help prevent the problem if we get them early on. When we diagnose that they have it, then we can do these devices with the IPL or the LipiFlow. The LipiFlow now is a heating device and a massaging of the lids. It actually unblocks the glands and expresses the oil and the blocked glands. So we have a wonderful range of treatment today for dry eyes.